like we're gonna have some fried chicken tonight for dinner. Get it all coated and ready to go. Good. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. Who brings a hydraulic wood splitter to elk camp? Well, I tell you, it does make it nice, especially when most of us in camp are in our late 50s and early 60s. And we do like to have firewood. So I think it'll be coming with us from now on. One thing we do notice this year is that there's not very many elk tracks, not much fresh elk sign this year. We'll see what the season brings, but sometimes elk come in at different times. But that's okay. We'll go see what happens.
We just heard quite a few shots down by camp area. Who knows? But it was probably 10 shots total. Well, we're back day 2. Very rainy today.
There's not much water in there. Don't use it all.
My brother just sent us pictures, so they're still light.
He's hunting this evening?
Mm-hmm. It's probably only a couple
Why did he
pounds.
send that picture? Is there a
He
deer in
said
it?
there's a sow and a cub in it.
Sow and cub? In the photo? It'll be hard to find.
Yeah, it's a blurry photo.
Well, we come up here to hunt, but in all honesty, we all really enjoy the campfire and just spending time, in the tent, telling stories. Play a little poker every now and then, and just unwind. And this year worked out really good because we spent more tent time than we normally do because it was just so rainy. It was a really rainy elk season this year.
Shot right behind me, real close, 200-300 yards, but it was nobody from our party. Checked. You think you're alone out here with just members of your party, but there's a lot of other hunters in here also. Just don't usually run into them. Oh well, public land. Everybody's welcome.
the 5-day season is just about finished. We hunted hard this season. In the rain, a lot of rain, a lot of drying out clothes when we got back to the tents, but it's been great so far. We got 1 day left, and we'll see what happens there.
Wager,
Or-
what's left?
Yeah, I'm just gonna down a little bit.
Good?
Yep, we're good.
7.
Sweet! Hold on.
Oh, I thought you were thinking about it. Maybe I should steal it.
Pull the trigger. 2 for the side pot?
Alright.
Alright, we're good to go.
Good?
A fun thing that we've been doing over the years, me, is I keep a journal of our elk camp adventures, and it's kind of fun sitting in the tent or around the campfire, reflecting back, reading pages out of the journal from 20 plus years ago. So I hope it continues.
Oh, it's the last day of the season. Clouds are starting to break up a little bit. It hasn't really rained, but it poured all night long. I mean, a lot again. Haven't earned any shots this morning. Give it one last try till, I don't know, it's 8:30 now. Wait a minute, what time is it? Maybe I'm off a little bit. It's almost 8. Stay here till 10, and I'm gonna walk around a little bit and then head back to camp about noon, so we'll see what happens today.
We've been hunting this area for many years, close to 30 years, and this spot here was one of my dad's favorite spots to come to. He called it the Forked Pine. Up top, way up top, there's a branching, the top forks, and so we all refer to it as the Forked Pine. We all have it in our GPSs, and you could see it from quite a ways away. So anyways, this is where I'm meeting Trace.
I'm here at the Forked Pine. Been coming here for a lot of years. A lot of us have. Trace is hunting down there below, so he said I'd meet him here. So I'm just waiting for him. Last day of the season. Last hunt. Ready to head back here to the truck. As soon as Trace gets here.
Well, comes Trace walking up the hill. His hunt's about done, along with all of ours. Nobody got anything this year. In fact, Trace was the only one who actually saw an elk. But it was a successful season. Like I've always said before, success isn't measured in just harvesting an animal. That makes it nice, but it was a successful season. We had a lot of fun.